Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will share a beautiful wall hanging making idea. So let's start it. Here I have taken a A4 size paper, fold it and draw a fish shape. Now cut it. Now take a cardboard and cut it as fish shape using the A4 size paper. Here I am using 4 fish shapes. Now take a pot and add some glue and water and mix it properly. Here I am using white glue. After mixing, keep it aside. Now take a tissue paper and cut it according to the fish shape, leaving 2 semi at all sides. Now add the mixture of glue and water through all over the fish surface and place the tissue paper over the cardboard. Now fix all sides using glue and brush. Let it dry. Now it has dried completely. It's time to give it color. Here I am using white acrylic paint as a base color so that all colors comes out nicely. Give it some time so that the white base color dries completely. Now color your fish according to your choice. Here I am using 2 shades of green, dark green and light green, and mixing it properly. Here is the contrast of red and orange. Here I am using deep blue and light blue. different shades on the tail of the fish so that it looks colorful. Now decorate the fish of your choice. I am using white color to highlight all the designs. Now it's time to decorate the tails. Take a woolen thread and round it about 45 times. Knot one end using different color of woolen thread. And cut the another end. Now cut the whole thing evenly. Take a needle with thread and follow what I am doing. I am using colorful beads, maintaining the sequence. Make 2 holes on each side of the fish so that the needle passes easily. One by one and complete the chain. At the end, loop the thread to hang the chain. Now the beautiful wall hanging fish is ready. At last, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.